Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Google Sheets with others. So to do this is pretty simple. So all you have to do is get ready with your sheet. So let's say we have done this already. Let's just mark this just for fun. So let's do a little green here and then let's just mark it as share. So all you have to do is go to the top right corner with the share button. So here you can see private to only me, so we can change that of course. So here you have your general access. So if you want it restricted and just want it to yourself, just press on restricted. So if you want this with anyone else, you can do this, and then you'll have to change it to the roles if you want them only to be viewers, commenters, or editors. So you want commenters to edit here in your own sheets, you can do so. Editor, if you're doing a collab with someone, you can do so. Viewer, if they want you to see what they're seeing, so there, just copy the link and then you're good to go. So press done and there you go. So if this was helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.